The operators know that proper and consistent seed and fertilizer placement results in uniform emergence and increased yields. The John Deere 60-foot 1895 air disc drill can deliver consistent placement with active downforce enabled through TruSet technology. And the best part, it can be set up, maintained, and adjusted, all from the comfort of the cab. In this video, we will cover recommended hydraulic connections and proper hydraulic settings for tractors equipped with Power Beyond. Before we talk about hydraulic connections, we need to talk about depth. Active downforce only sets pounds of force pressure on the gauge wheel to maintain consistent seed and/or fertilizer placement. Proper depth is still set by adjusting the gauge wheel. Simply pull the T-handle, turn it 45 degrees, and then adjust to the proper slot. Remember, each slot changes the depth in 6.35 millimeter or 1/4 inch increments. For complete information on adjusting the gauge wheel and setting depth, refer to section 25 of the operator's manual. The desired method of connecting the hydraulics to the 60-foot 1895 air drill is to utilize the Power Beyond connection on the tractor. This allows constant hydraulic flow to maintain the set pressure without the need for setting an SCV at continuous flow, and thus without keeping the hydraulic pump at high stall pressure, minimizing heat buildup, and it gives you the best hydraulic efficiency during the seeding operation. Power Beyond is required when operating a section command cart or hydraulic drive cart. Obviously, if not using Power Beyond for the active downforce on the 1895 air drill, the connection configuration will be different. See the 60-foot 1895 Setip SCV and TruSet when not using Power Beyond video for the proper configuration. From the setup page, the operator has the option to choose SCV with Power Beyond or SCV only. If the John Deere tractor has EHEC2 SCV controls, then you may select the SCV associated with the downforce on this screen. Doing so will allow you to use the SCV lever's float position to float the downforce system. If the John Deere tractor does not have EHEC2 SCV controls, you will need to select the null SCV option. If using a John Deere tractor with EHEC2 SCVs, the tool will control the downforce SCV flow and timer settings. Tractors with EHEC2 SCVs also allow you to float the active downforce by pushing the SCV into the float position. This can come in handy when going over wet spots in the field. Without EHEC2, it will be necessary to engage the float function from the TruSet main run page. Another tip to get the best performance from the hydraulic system is to split any continuous flow operations between the main pump and the secondary pump. For example, using carts with dual fans. Connect one fan on the main pump and the other fan on the secondary pump. This will minimize issues of flow sharing and get you the best performance. For more information on hydraulic flow sharing, see the 9R hydraulic flow sharing video on the YouTube John Deere channel. Using Power Beyond during the seeding operation for TruSet active downforce will give the best performance and allow the hydraulics to control and maintain your set downforce. In this video, we showed recommended hydraulic connection with Power Beyond and proper hydraulic settings. For hydraulic and SCV connections for tractors without Power Beyond, see the 60-foot 1895 Setip SCV and TruSet when not using Power Beyond video.